Hey guys, it's Mr. Burt. We're just going to do a little review of what we went over yesterday, making long definitions into short definitions, alright? So we're going to do a real quick lesson on shrinking, and you guys can pause at any time and go back and review, okay? Here we go. Alright, so this is the worksheet we worked on yesterday, and I want to go ahead and knock out some of these boxes that we didn't use, okay? So you can go ahead and pause the video now and knock those out if you'd like. Everything else should be filled with the 10 vocabulary words from the story 7th grade. Alright, we're going to start with the word quiver, and I believe we did this one in class. It was this box here. Okay, so first step on shrinking vocabulary, alright, here it is. You can pause it at any time again to take notes. There you go. To shrink a vocab definition, we're going to, number one, we're going to cross out any words or phrases we don't know. So we're going to come back to this worksheet here. We're going to cross out any words in this definition right here. See this long, atrocious looking definition? We want to get this down to about 5 to 7 words. Okay, that's our goal. So we want you to write that off to the side too, so you know what your target is. Let's go through here. We're going to read real quick. All right, I'm going to take out tremulously. I don't really know what that means. Shutter, I'm not sure if that means like a window shutter, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Alright, so it looks like I've taken out things I don't know or I wasn't really sure about. Number 2, we're going to cross out words or phrases that repeat or mean the same thing. And for those of you that are the smarty pants, we're going to take out the synonyms, okay? And just like a summary, we want only the important stuff left after all this is over, okay? So after step 2, we're going to make sure we only have the important stuff in the definition. Alright, so let's go through. Alright, I don't see anything in this first fragment that means similar things right here. But I do see vibrate, tremble, quake, and shiver. And those all mean very, very similar things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the one that I know the best. And that's going to be vibrate. So I'm going to cross everything out. So if you want to go ahead and do that with me, go ahead and cross everything else out. I'm going to take vibrate because I know my phone vibrates. And I know exactly what that is and feels like and sounds like. So that's the most vivid adjective for me right now. So that's the one I'm keeping because it's most easily accessed to me. Alright, and now we got to get this down to about 5, 7 words. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a little bit too much, so we want to take out some unnecessary words, okay? So, to shake with a slight but rapid motion. Well, I think the sentence is going to mean the same thing if it just says to shake in rapid motion. So let's go ahead and take out some of these unnecessary words. To shake, rapid motion, and vibrate. Alright, so let's go ahead and just highlight what we left here for ourselves to make a short definition out. Alright, so let's get a close-up of that. Alright, so there we are. The pink is what we've been left ourselves with after the first 2 steps of crossing out words we don't know and crossing out phrases that mean the same thing or repeat. Okay? So what we're going to do with this now is we're going to take it over to our next worksheet, a modified Frayer model. And so here we go. Okay, so here's the worksheet here, the modified Frayer model, and it kind of runs sideways like this, so we're going to get it into view when we need to talk about something. Alright, so notice that the words go over here in this left upper box, and there's 2 sets of numbers under each word right here. First we take the initial understanding of it and we rate it here, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and then we're going to take that short definition from what we got on our shrinking here, to shake, rapid motion, and vibrate, and we're going to move it here into quiver. Alright, so I got something already here right now. We're going to take that out. We're going to write our shortened definition on it. And it's okay to add some words in here to make it make sense a little bit, so let's do that now. Alright, so I went ahead and skipped ahead and I wrote the new definition in here. So it's to shake with rapid motion or vibrate, and we see we have, oh, that's the wrong one. Let's get this pink one up here. See, before we had to shake, rapid motion, and vibrate. So I just added a little bit into this definition. Next, I would list down some synonyms here. Probably 2 or 3 would be good. Then I would list some antonyms on this side. Notice we got synonyms and antonyms up here. And then if you can see through my paper already, we're going to flip over and we're going to draw some pictures down here so it matches up with each word as we need it to. Okay, so we're going to make sure we draw an image, symbol, or some sort of picture with each word, okay? So get creative. Look, mine's not a masterpiece exactly, okay? So you can draw this as long as you kind of know what's happening and there's an image there to be seen, okay? Good luck with the assignment. We'll see you next time.